So that's the front wheels off. It's not too bad in here. Need to replace the liner, which we're going to take out now. So that's both arch liners out. I think we have to buy some new ones because they're both smashed up a bit. I want to clean up areas like this. We'll paint it all up in here. Stone chip all the arches. We've got some new springs actually in the garage. Need to go on. Some new discs and pads coming too. And we'll paint the calipers up as well. And freshen it all up a bit. So next up, I've took this fog light cover off already. I'm going to take this one off now. So that's that out. We'll refurb these up and then we're going to paint these silver or black, I'm not sure yet. So that's the front grille. Well, this is the new one now. We need to paint this up still, but we'll get it done. Next off is now the bumper off. Welcome back to another video, and today this is now week 2, so the second episode of the Fiesta project. As you can see, it's now jack stands fully, front wheels as well, rear bumper's back on now as well. Everything's been restored at a full paint job, all the plastics have been refurbed as well, so that's immaculate pretty much now. In here, nothing's really changed in here at the moment, but we're going to try and stone chip these this weekend. Underneath is all being cleaned up nicely, both sides as well, so that's looking amazing. Front, just a bit of a clean up for now, lots more to do. We're going to new discs, pads and calipers have been painted. Headlights, they're out inside the car. I'm going to restore them as well. In the garage we have the front bumper. That was quite badly bashed up, but it's pretty much ready for paint now. So that should be on the car soon. Over here we have the fog light covers. We're going to restore these up after them. Paint these the same colour as the car, I think, as well, instead of chromey kind of colour. But that's about it for the car this week. Tonight I think we'll paint the trim that goes sits here, and then we've got some new LED lights that are going to sit here, and then I've got a new Ford badge that's on order as well, and then I've also got a new S badge coming too, and a new front Ford badge coming too. Trying to find a new one of these somewhere, but yeah, wheels should be going for powder coating very soon too. Yeah, it's getting there. For the 2 weeks of it now, it's getting there. Plenty more to do in the next few weeks. I'll update on that one, and there should be much more content coming out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.